get wetin I see for news as you wanna see for Facebook. The thing it not make sense at all. It not make sense at all. You know why it not make sense? Because this babe, people say they do this thing to so. This small girl, wasn't a small girl, wasn't a nation shit, I don't really know. That girl they do that thing to so. Now guy na teach am that thing. She not just carry learn that thing. Now guy teach am. And the thing it is so annoying. Imagine this babe. She don't they do this thing for a very long time. God just expose her on this one. Me, I'm not also the girl do they wrong, they right too. I not support her. But what did they pay me now? They say, guys, if I not soon I want to do all this now, some guys, shall you every guy, some guys, sorry to call guys so, some guys, if I not soon I want to do all this rubbish that they do so, when I know they involve on a girlfriend, please. When I do this thing by myself, because if that guy they cash and say do this thing, the kind beat where you go receive, your head will not even tear. That even not even born you. Imagine what you okay. We talk about fake alerts. Since now I hear about that thing, so this babe now can't just go involve herself inside. And maybe that this thing she they do take buy clothes she wear. That dress that I get, I not get her. That's where that get wear. Me I not get her. Guys, as in some guys say waiting. Must you involve your girlfriend or your bro or your sister into this kind of atrocity, into this kind of crime? Don't you know she's a girl? You know, the ability where you get, the strength you go take withstand some kind of things. She not get her. You know, if now you now, if now guy now do this thing now, the guy never even confess. But you see how the girl they confess because she not feel withstand the beat. She doesn't say she not take. Imagine some people don't even throw stone on her. Even though say they don't even beat her, imagine they don't naked her now. They naked her. If you watch the video, you go sit at the top. It don't make sense at all. It don't make sense. Not be everything you say we involve. When you say guys involve, not be you go to involve babe. And some babe too. Where you date guy or your brother. Not be everything you say your brother they do. Not be you go want learn. If you don't get the ability to hide yourself or to keep it secret, or to if you don't get the strategies on how you go to handle that kind of thing. But babe, some everything are going to involve. I beg. Imagine the kind of beat she don't receive, imagine the kind of disgrace. This one I wear the video ratio. Now imagine the guys that they video because no video anybody face. If you know say what they do, they right, say they beat this girl for the right thing. Why can't they not video your face? When they not video your face, I will not go see who they beat the girl. Crime. Me I not support this girl. But the one that they handle the girl issue so. Because they tear her clothes. I so much appreciate some of the guys. I salute some guys they say. They call the talk say, may they leave her, don't do. I salute some of them so I get female feelings enter on her. That is why I say don't do. That's why I say don't do. Make I even cough for this matter self. That's why I say don't do. Guys, not be so. I beg. Everything you do, not everything you go put your sister. Now risk be this. This thing na risk. If like say if we catch some of our senators, some of our politicians, if we catch them, beat them like this, I for too happy. If we begin catch our politicians, they steal our money through biro and paper. If we catch them like this, they beat them like this, they naked them, I go too happy. But all the same, charity begins at home. Because she now become one of the political aides tomorrow. This girl now. So the way they even say treat her fuck up, and she did small, so it good like that. As long as she don't confess, now she don't go do this kind of thing again. It good like that. Because this kind of act that she enters at this earlier stage is a very wrong act. And make I just finalize this word here, I beg. Before I talk that one, make una watch the video. Watch her. Just watch this video. I'll say it just be.
Wait, bros. Wait, bros. You are here.
Yes, sir.
No, wait. Not that time. Just. Now you pay for that.
not enter the cab. Now me enter the cab.
This is my motor.
The cab, yes.
You pay.
No, he give me cash 1,500. 1,500. They are called to pay transfer for 3,000. And the 1,500 will give me.
Okay, you when you pay the money. Okay, what is going to happen?
Take transfer.
To Ram. No, listen.
Yes,
Is there here?
take transfer.
To Ram.
Yes.
You see the money?
No.
I see the money. You know they have fake
Not fake
transfer.
transfer. Not show for your account.
It don't say
Message.
wait, he not gonna show.
No.
Yeah, you not
Wait,
show for
like
your
this transfer.
account. Yes.
Wait, no contract. No say Jesus man, does it pay transfer no come? Wait, after it don't wait. After it transfer me.
This one, not be the boy, not be
Now
the
you
boy.
go to this man.
Yes, I be by myself.
Wait, okay, not talk one word. He not show. He not show that day. Wait. He not show that time.
You not show that you not show now.
He don't show. They can't rob you.
Okay, you know they have fake transfer. They don't rob our money. Any fake transfer.
Okay, now fake you for
You
What do you make you do fake transfer?
wait.
Enter the mark.
Transfer for you.
He said make the man give her 1,500. And he never paid the man. He said the man give her 1,500. When will you reach the
How many times?
3 times.
Successful, yes.
But all those 3 times are fake.
Yes.
The 3 times are fake.
Yes.
Wait, you know the shame?
Successful.
Now you want to go do POS person now again.
I want to do POS person. Now you can't see me. That this cab man, I need one. Yes.
Okay, now the camera says see you. He remember you well.
Yes.
Okay, you wait, listen. You won't do the fake transfer to POS again. Yes. Okay, POS.
I got the POS.
Don't
You dey forbid to learn work. 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 You dey forbid to learn work.
You do me.
Who that jacket for me? Who that
Nobody should video anybody face. No, not be face. Not you.
Come on, leave me.
You sure say you know today? Sit down there, sit down there.
I don't tip up.
It's not good. It's not good.
Never beat you. That's why you beat me. See your black cover. Never try. That's what you make a smoke. What tissue this one?
Where's your area?
Tissue. Made it collect money for people in the hospital.
Yes.
Wait, what about that guy? What about that guy?
This way, no train.
I dey pity for now. If I do na better progress now.
Is it your brother now?
Yes, no train.
Now your brother.
Yes. No, that's smoke.
Over there.
Chema, leave am. Wait, una leave am.
They go now.
Wear your shirt, how far? Wear your shirt. Me wear shirt. Muna leave am now, me wear shirt. How far? Muna do.
Just watch this video. I say just don't watch the video. When I see him, when I see the video, Abi, say the thing not make sense for eye at all. You see him, see the girl breast, everything. And at least they don't once throw stone on her before. So I beg, brothers, I beg, when I not involve on a sister for everything. Or when you don't involve your girlfriend into everything. The strength that you get, she's a woman, she not get that strength. And babe, I beg, when everything you involve yourself. Not be every crime that you go involve yourself. Yeah? Babes, when I dey careful. Not be everything that you see now you go involve yourself, okay? I beg. And baby girl, if you, this video reach your hand as you don't confess, so I beg me not go back to such art again, yeah? Look for work may you do. Look for something else may you do. There are many ways to kill a rat. Not be this kind one. And you know if you get strength, I beg, yeah? They make a finalizer here. See, fake alerts. Make I just give you some few tips on this fake alert. Fake alerts. Need they carry your bank name. It does not be your. If you see fake alert, not your bank details, not be your bank. They send them. Your bank need they come with your bank details. If they come as message, as a message from, it go come as if somebody send you message. Now say they be fake alert. Need they come with fake alert. Need they show you your balance. So now we so now no fake alert. Not gonna open eye too. Fake alert. Need they show you balance. You dey hear me? That's why it be. Fake alert need they come from your bank direct. You need to show you balance. Because the person don't know your balance, your rebalance. And if person fake alert self, if they do one, the person need do and so. You need to see balance. As in, who do and need to show you your own, need to like show you. You need to come from the person real bank. And they hear me? Fake alert they go job that they will come out. The person do transfer for you. Tell her make it there, make you see the alert. May not tell you say later the alert will come. No. Now they hear me. Fake alert. If they be like a message, you no go see her for your bank, and you no go see your balance at all. That's so it just be. Make I just tell her this one. I beg, I beg, babes, be careful on the kind of acts you involve yourself into. Not the kind of thing where you join. Your boyfriend they do want you won't join. Your brother they want you won't join. I beg, babes, now not get the strength. Look for work, go learn handwork, look for something else maybe you do. You hear me so? As I said earlier, there are many ways to kill a rat. Yeah, not with this kind of thing. Because you don't feel withstand the beat. You don't feel withstand the beat at all. What are they gonna burn you now, uncle? I said they don't feel born, babe. They feel born, no. These are kind of bad guys, they go burn you for nothing. So stop them. That's what I have to tell you. I beg, stop this kind of thing you do so. And anybody say won't join this kind of thing, please don't join this kind of thing. Non learner. I beg, yeah? Because you don't fit get the liver. You don't get the liver to carry them at all. You don't get the liver at all. Do it in your liver will fit carry. Do it in you sabi do. What you go feel withstand. What you get the strategy. Then you dey involve for that kind of thing. And so it just be. Thanks for watching. I beg, may you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Mind Feather. And so it just be. Please follow me on Instagram, Mind Feather. On Twitter, Mind Feather. On my page, Facebook, Mind Feather. Please, I'm begging, please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.